Marriage is a fluid relationship that assumes many different forms throughout the years. A relationship that is always growing or changing. If you are growing individuals, different today from yesterday, and if you can communicate this growth emotionally, philosophically, and physically, your marriage over the years will remain vital and creative.
ይህን ቀለበት ለቃል ኪዳናችን ምልክት ይሆንን ዘንድ ወድጄ ሰጥቼሻለሁ። I do solemnly declare
that I know not of any lawful impediment why I, Anteneh Theodoros, may not be joined in matrimony to Alpha Gugsa. I do solemnly declare that I know not of any lawful impediment why I, Alpha Gugsa, may not be joined in matrimony to Anteneh Theodoros.
Auntie couldn't have got a better wife. In my eyes, she's the mirror of Anteneh, and I think all her family know that they're exactly the same as each other. I'm sure Alpha does that on her side. Yeah, let's just make it a lovely night for him.
He's a